I mean, what did Daktari say about when there is necrosis, what happens to the hepatocytes and what do they start doing? Yes.
Which mentioned ductular proliferation.
So can you look carefully and see that in the
there
periphery there
is-
should be
there is
ductular proliferation?
We mentioned. No, we mentioned.
We mentioned. Good. So you see, everything makes sense. Pathology is not something of a disease. So that is good. So this one, if you described it properly, and if you said it is submassive liver necrosis, you've got your 100 marks there, and then we just ask you some of the...
maybe grading and staging.
Yeah, maybe... not. We could ask a question on grading and staging. We could ask you
No,
causes of
like this we don't have to grade it and stage it.
No, you don't have to. You can't.
Yeah, chronic.
This is not like a... This is not a chronic
yeah.
liver
Yeah. But
inflammatory
what about
disease.
that? What about that like a fibrosis kind of that band-like?
Are you really sure that it is fibrosis and it's
You see, like
fibrotic band? This is HNE.
Okay, yeah, we.
You know, some of this destruction, there would just be keratin. Or, you know, those bodies, they give you keratin or leftover. What are the leftover skeletons of a cell? Yeah. Look, when the cells will die, they will leave behind their skeleton, isn't it? So those ones could make you think as if there is fibrosis. You
Yeah.
cannot be sure until I give you
Amazing.
a maize and trichome. Yes.